They're all good guys. You can't go wrong. Now let's all go down to the living room and wait for Ms. Vanderpreen.
All right.
What was that sound?
I think it's my stomach. I'm hungry.
Oh, yeah. We're all hungry.
Oh, well, okay. I guess I could make you all a quick snack, but we don't have much time. Let's hurry down to the kitchen before Ms. Vanderpreen arrives. Come on.
They smell really good.
Yeah, they do. What kind of sandwiches are they, Bear?
Peanut butter and bananas.
Ooh.